This analysis. Today we're looking for a buy on a euro, a buy on a GU, and a sell on a USF. So, according to the first strategy, I used two combined strategies. That doesn't mean they won't be wrong. Usually, most of the time, they becoming wrong. So yeah, now we have a break there. In that space there, we had a break. We're expecting the market to come down, maybe to actually take the liquidity below this area, then go up. But also we are looking there at that gap there, with what is the market really doing at that gap. Let's put it this way. Okay, we'll also have a look at 5 minutes just to check up what's happening on that gap. If the market closes above this red candle here, then we're not going to wait for the market to come back here. Once it's closed above, we buy. We buy. Put our stop loss below the red candle. Okay, now, sorry, this one is disturbing me. Okay, the second strategy we talk about the trend. We're looking at the trend. You can see that the market broke from here, that point here, went up and came back and failed to break this one down here. This line. See here, it failed. So it means now we're looking for the market to go up and break this one. You understand? So our main target today is just to break that high there. Break that high. Right there. Right? That is our main target. Now, let's get closer. Let's get in. Let's get in. Yesterday there was a trade that we took somewhere here. I'm not here to talk about it. We took it right there, or sell there, went down, but then ended up rejecting, went back up. So yeah, but then I didn't lose. I made something there. I took some partials, and the one that I left, it was on break even. I didn't lose anything. My target was down here. That was my target, was to close all this gap, but it didn't. It just mitigated here. That's fine. Now, okay, it went down, right? After going down, it went up, right? Then it broke this one here, meaning it still want to go down. Meaning it still want to go down. Okay, then it broke, and then after that, it broke the upper one. Okay, once it breaks the upper one, it is fine for it to break the upper one because it is taking the liquidity above. It's taking the liquidity above. Why? Because it already broke down there. It shows us the direction it's going down. Then the other side was taking liquidity. Then it went down again, which is fine. But then now, after going down, it came back now. This is the second strategy that we're using, explaining now. Came back now to break that point there. After breaking that point, it went up and down, up and down, up. And now it's going down. As you can see now, we are on a small up trade, which is in the direction of that target. Let's remove that one. this one, the one that we just broke now. Since we already broke and up there, I will also accept the market to come back down and break this one, break these two. I will still be looking for up because we already took the liquidity above this. Then coming back, then I will take a buy up. But if it close above there, it's still I'm buying also. I'm buying also. Um, that's the Euro USD analysis. Day one. Um let's check GU, which must be something similar. As I told you, we went down. Hey, here yesterday there was news. I wanted to sell right here after this candle closed. I wanted to put in. Whoa, the market just all the way up. I was left out more target. My target, as you can see, my target here. You see it here. My target was just here. That is what I was targeting. The market broke, went up, came down. Then there, I wanted to buy. Then the market left me, which is fine. Which is fine. Oh, there was a sell trade that I entered there. See there, right there. I entered with a sell. It went all the way down. I took some partials there, but it came back and hit my stop loss because my stop loss was above. But then after taking the partials, I lowered my stop loss somewhere. I don't know where, but around these areas there. Then it came back and hit it. Okay, let's look at the first strategy. The first strategy. First strategy. What are you saying? Okay. Yeah, this goes with times. This is the times where I'm looking to put my trade on. It's another one there. Today I've got a lot of things to do, I know. So wish it can give me setup as early as possible and enter, then I'll go away and do this stuff that I wanna do. Okay, we have a break there. Since we have a break there now, the market is coming down. Which area is you see this area here? No, it's not the one. Let's focus on this one. Let's just focus on that one. Let's focus on that gap there. Put it there. You see that gap. And now I want the market to come back to this area. Then I buy. I buy my target. First target, I want it to break this area here. And I wanted to break that area there. I will take my TP there, but I will leave some so that if it continues, because the euro hasn't gone far as the the G is this is GU. Okay, now I'll take my profit. It comes here, I'll take my profit. There's something I wanna do though. I haven't tried it yet. I wanna add on 5-minute trades. As soon as I'm in there, I want to add and add and add and add up until I reach my target. I didn't take partial, but that means I must be like I must look at the market, stay on the market, be focused. And I don't know because last time when I was on the market focused, I used to do a lot of mistakes. So I ended up like putting trade and go away. But now also I have to take partial and stuff. I don't know. We'll see. I have to learn how to do that. Then now when we're looking at this, we want the market to come down here to this place area here and go up. Let's see what's happened there. If it close above the red candle, we enter. It hasn't. It's 2 minutes left. Let's check the GU. Let's check the GU. The GU. The GU. The GU. I think the GU is denied, because if I can put my see the gap there, closed below. I don't think it's still. I think it's gonna go down there. As I want to, as I'm expecting. I think so. I think it will go down to this area. I don't know. Yeah. Let's look at the second strategy. You can see yesterday here it went down. Same thing here. Oh, I just explained this. Went down, broke this area up, and came back down. Did not break this one. Now we're expecting it to continue go up and break that one. When you're looking on a smaller trend, we had a downtrend here, up, down, up. Okay, change to up, then down, then up, then down, up, down, up, down. Ended up going down. It broke this area here, showing the signs of continuing going down, but then it came back immediately to correct that, to break this high here, to break that high. And after breaking that high, we had a change of direction now, up facing that target, which is good. But up, down, up, down. Then we had a break also there, continuation of an uptrend. But then now as I just told you, that I want the market to come back and take the liquidity so that it can get power, so that it can take the liquidity resting above there also. Now let's look at the euro, because we are watching the euro. Oh, okay, the euro now. You see, now we have to enter there. We have to enter. Okay, I've just paused the video. I wanted to go and take some trades, because this chart I'm analyzing only here. I want me to pay. Yeah, so the trade is on already. As I said, if it's closed above this candle here, my entry was there. Let's put it's a long position. After that, I have to take my first TP there and leave some. If it goes further, then the stop loss is just okay below. Can't see it clearly, but the stop loss is here, right here. Then the trade is on already. Now I just analyze the GU. Let's check the GU. GU also, you can see here, that is the first time. So have a look. We wanted the candle. If it closed above, we're gonna go up like here. See, this one didn't close above and this one didn't close. It's the first one that's really trying to close above that one. So we're gonna have to take a trade there as soon as that wick there. Ooh, it might be going down. It might be going down, but then it's fine. We don't know what the market is going to do. The strategy is telling us after it close above that, we hit. Waiting for 3 minutes. Let's check on 5 minutes. 5 minutes, we already closed above. You see there? Wow. That's another entry here. Enter. We up. But then We're waiting for 15 to close right above this candle. And now it's too far now. Let's check. Look, look. Uh, put a trade there. Our stop loss has to be down there. Our first target is here. Yeah. Let's see. Let's put a long position. Let's say we are entering long position. We're entering them. Entering right there. Wanna check the ratio. Is it the worth trade to go on above? Nah, it's not even 1:1. It's already gone. It's already gone. We're not gonna chase it. It's fine. It's fine. You can see here the ratio is 0 to 7.7. Want to see one at least on that side, then you can go. And now I gone. Okay, let's check out the chef very fast. The chef did the same as the euro. There's a trade that is on there, but let's look. I didn't analyze it. I just believed it's doing the same thing as the chef. There's the euro. Then I was in. So I'm here to analyze now, which is wrong. Which is wrong, but it's fine. Most sometimes you have to take some risking, Yana. But it's not like I'm taking an extra risk. I know it does the same thing as the euro, on an opposite way, on an opposite direction. Put these areas down here. You can see that the market is break this this low there. After breaking that low, it came back to that gap. See that gap down there, right? After, sorry, we said we weren't gonna get in anyway. Wanted to check if it close above. Yes, it does close above, but now there's a short distance to our first take profit. So on enter, let's go back to a chef where we're analyzing them. On the chef, there was that. The area that I was expecting to enter in was this one up there. Wanted to enter there. I was gonna enter here. But then the market reacted to this gap, went back down. As soon as it closed above that or below that blue candle there, we entered with a sell. Our TP is very close. Our first TP is this one, very close. Yeah. The short position entered there, but entered then stop loss is just below. Which you hear the first TP is there. What now? No, it was 1:1. Yeah. That 1:1, we take our first TP right there. Then we leave the partials for further minutes if whatever, if something happens. So yeah, that's today analysis. I want to trade those three assets. So done the analysis for the morning session. It already gave us an opportunity. I'm happy. Because as I have just mentioned, I want to do some stuff today. I'm going to work tomorrow. So a lot of things have to be prepared today. So yeah, bye.